We do have a few new campus and classroom rules for the 2020 school year that we really never had to talk about before. However, I feel like it's very important that we go over these as a class together this year. Number one, you should always keep your mask on in class. Um, I know that those things are uncomfortable, but we're all in this together, and this is one small thing that we can do to help keep each other healthy. All right. In addition to keeping your masks on, we need to try to maintain social distancing as much as possible. Listen, I know in a crowded hall that's not super possible, but just do your best to be self-aware and make sure that you're staying at least a few feet away from the person in front of you and behind you. Also, number three, remember to sanitize hands every time you enter and exit a room. This is something that we're all going to have to get in the habit of doing, and this keeps germs from spreading from one room to another. Number four, at the end of each class period, assist your teacher in wiping down surfaces. I'm sure that you guys have gotten really good at that so far after the first day of school. We're just going to keep doing that to keep you all safe and healthy. Number five, this is a big one. If you feel ill, please stay home. Do not come to school. I repeat, if you feel ill or have a temperature, please stay home. Do not bring your germs with you to school and spread them around.